Hi Amelia, I'm at my house. This is my house here, look. There's my car, you recognise that, don't you? My house. Now I'm out here bird hunting. I'm looking for birds around my place and I'm going to count them up. So I'm just kind of waiting for birds. I saw a lot out here yesterday. I can see one up in the tree over there. I wonder if I can get a closer look. Can you see that nest in the tree? Whoa, I wonder if there's any eggs in there. How many eggs do you think are going to be in there? Now I saw lots of tuis up in this tree earlier today and we can see one there, look. One tui. Another one just landed up there, can you see him? Two tuis. Another one just flew across over that way. That's three tuis. Whoa, look at those ones. There was two more there, so we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tuis. Can you go out into your garden or your backyard and count how many birds you see? Okay, I can't wait to hear how many you got. Bye.